Welcome to the Venetian, your urban-inspired oasis offering leading technology, environmentally friendly products, the best in the beauty industry practices. We embody the modern minimalism with the traditional warmth and comfort you've grown to expect from the Venetian Nail Spa. Upon arrival, you will be greeted by our professional and friendly staff. Your nail technician will take time with you personally to ensure that every treatment is tailored specifically for your experience. From there, you will have an abundance of color and top brand for your choosing from our wall of colors to find your perfect match. You will then be guided through the salon straight to your chair where you will be pampered and rejuvenated. Our luxurious modern-inspired salon featuring open-air, warm elements that will balance your needs through our spectacular menu, choosing from our signature spa pedicure and manicure treatments, state-of-the-art nail designs, relaxing body massage treatments, rejuvenating facials, top brand name, eco-friendly products, and more. We are excited to have you as a part of our oasis here at the Venetian, and we look forward to seeing you soon.